Good morning, children. Let us learn about the geography lesson for agriculture. In previous class, I have explained how the farming system is there in our country, in the place of the Uttar Pradesh, and we have learned about the case study of the one a small village. The farmer Munna Lal is having the 1.5 hectares of the land, and also that he is having the uh, hens and also the two buffaloes. So the milk also he is selling in the cooperative society, and the how the farmer is developing and what type of the tools he is using in the cultivation, and with his knowledge HYV seeds also using. Today let us learn about the a farm in the United States of the America. The average size of a farm in the United States of the America is much larger than that of an Indian farm. So comparing to the our people, for comparing to Indian farmers, the United States of the American farmers, they are having the more land. A typical farm size in the United States of the America is about 250 hectares of land. Here, yesterday we have learned about the 1.5, but in the United States of the America, 250 hectares. The farmer generally resides in the farm. Some of the major crops grown are corn, soya bean, wheat, cotton, and sugar beet. Joe and Horn, a farmer in the Midwest United States of the America. Here, the farmer and also the in the United States of the America in Iowa State owns about 300 hectares of land. Joe Horan, a person who is living in the Midwest of the United States of the America in the Iowa State, he is having the 300 hectares of the land. He grows corn on his field after making sure that soil and water resources meet the needs of this crop. He is going to be observe if the how much water content is there, how is the soil, everything he is going to be observe. After the observation, he is going to be start plowing the land, sowing the seeds also. Adequate measures are taken to control the pest that can damage the crop. From time to time, he sends the soil samples to a soil testing laboratory. The person he is going to be sent the soil, some of the soil for the testing, how what is the quantity of the soil samples. They are going to be observe the quantity of the soil also. Testing laboratory to check whether the nutrients are sufficient or not. The everything the nutrient the for soil everything it is perfect or not, to check the soil samples. They check in the they are going to be testing in the laboratory. The results helped Joe Horan to plan scientific fertilizer program. After observing how much fertilizers they have to use for the land, and they are going to be think it. His computer is linked to the satellite, which gives him a precise picture of his field. So in he is sitting in a room, the computer, everything he is going to be uh, he will be seeing in the computer satellites. He for his computer he is going to be fix it, and he will observe in a room he is observing, and also that after observation he is observing his field through the computer only. His computer is linked to the satellite, which gives him a precise picture of his field. This helps him to use chemical fertilizers, and also that and pesticides wherever they are required. He uses tractors, seed drills, leveler, combined harvester, and thresher to farm various agricultural operations. Through the satellites, he will observe his field and to spray the medicine. So, children, you can observe here in a farm how they are the spray of pesticides. They were spraying the pesticides for the field also. Here you can see the spray of the pesticides and also the a farm in the United States of the America, comparing to our country and in the in a picture you can see a farm in the United States of the America. In a small room he'll sit and he will give for his computer through satellites. He will observe everything and he is going to be spray the pesticides for their plants also. Grains are stored in the automated grain storage or dispatched to market agencies. From the field, just they are going to be there only, they dispatch it to the market agencies. The farmer in United States of the America works like a businessman and not like a peasant farmer. In our country, what we have observed, for their family purpose and 1.5 hectare of the land for their family purpose, they use the more labor, less machine work also. But in the United States of the America, he works like a businessman. The businessman, how he is working, he is everything observed by the machine, through the computer, and soil samples also every time observing. Then they are going to sow the seeds, cultivate the land. The harvest time, just the grain storage, or they are going to be dispatched to the market agencies. The farmer in the United States of the America works like a businessman and not like a peasant farmer also. So children, you have observed, and once again read the textbook. What is the comparison? What are the major crops are there? Next, the development of the agriculture. Everything you have to just to read textbook, all information one by one step you can understand. Here also, what is agriculture, and name the factors influencing agriculture. What are the factors? Climatic, topography and all. What is helping for agriculture? What factors influencing the climatic condition? What is shifting cultivation? We have learned its advantages. The shifting cultivation means that they go from one place to another place. They clear the forest, and also that just 2 years they will stay there. We can call shifting cultivation, or slash burned slash cultivation also it is called. For that, what are the advantages are there also? What is plantation agriculture? What is the plantation agriculture? One paragraph full about the plantation only it is there. The sugar cane, banana and coffee, tea, that all one paragraph about full about the plantation it is there. You can read from textbook only. Name the fiber crops and name the climatic conditions required for their growth also. What are the fiber crops? About the cotton and also the jute. About these two information also you have to write it. Again, horticulture and golden fiber refers to the jute, leading producer of coffee, and Brazil is the leading producer. That's why. And also here the primary activity and territory activity, substance farming, intensive farming, everything it is there in the textbook also. Each and every side heading also it is there. So once again read textbook, and also that understand the information. And all what you should do it, that all the question and answers, if it is you can you can underline in textbook, or you can write in the notebook also. So once again read and understand the information more. Thank you.